Gender-based violence, I went through some issues, not only verbally, but sometimes also physical.
Yeah.
I took it upon me to make a change, to make a difference in my life so that I can raise bantwana in a very good condition.
Okay.
You know, and it was like very thoughtful of them, and that's why in field workers we can call it family, because babegelana, you know, something bonge, you know, like go fast. It's not gonna be like, oh yeah, no. Kunyalo ngoba banelthando and they also care.
Mr. Mashaba wangbona nje was I'm booking you go for counseling.
Yes.
But Mr. Mashaba is writing. I was disgraced phone. Says if Dr. Pace is waiting for you, I had to leave work. And I attended almost a year. One discharge I said I was okay. Yeah, you can cope. I'm talking about things that happened 12 years.
This is Lawful Workers Podcast, and of course, this is your girl Rebecca. I'm doing podcasting live at Riverside Mall. Now, Nyolanza Mama Winnie, and Nomfanelo Masego. I want to find out, of course, what's Bangbo but so that Nama Lawful Workers get to know them better. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to tune in while I go and get them and find out what's the story behind this beautiful family. Okay, my beautiful people, like I said to you, Mama Winnie Masego, na Nomfanelo, of course, our beauty queen Lana. Ungatholile manje ezithando zami njani?
Siyabonga girl.
Ngiyaphila. Ngiyangathi ngithuthi imali.
They're well known and the famous one.
You know.
They didn't down the group.
Ngibathi mama. Nami ngishabu kakhulu. Kufanele uright uright kakhulu. Awungitshela nomfanele ukuthi nomfanele ngubani.
Nomfanele is a 15-year-old girl that and was groomed by her mother to become Yue, or to go and to become what she is right now. You know, she's an independent, beautiful young lady. You know, and Mondo, when she puts her focus on something, you know, she like really does it, you know, and she's like cheerful, but then sometimes, you know, scholar-ish, yeah, you know, so you know, no different, you know, but then she's like a multi-personality person, you know, but then she's kind, yeah.
Are you?
Sometimes.
I'm joking, Mala. Mama Winnie.
Yes, dear.
Sithandwa sami ngitshele ke ngawe ukuthi Mama Winnie ngibani mawa a kind girl.
Yeah. Yeah. I am Bawinile. Not Winnie. I know abantu bangathi ngawini, but I'm Bawinile Mashile / Masego.
Okay.
Yeah. You know.
We know.
I was born and bred at Dwaleni.
Okay.
A mother of 2.
Okay.
Single parents. Yeah. 40 something.
Marabata South African woman never tells her age.
That is what
I'll allow it.
Yeah, I'm scared. And as they say, I look 35. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm 48. They were like, no.
And you do look 30.
Thanks to Lowfeld Walkers.
Yes.
Yeah, ngihlala eDwaleni, ngakhulela khona. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi a mother of two. My firstborn is 18.
Okay.
Then university, Fanelo is 16, doing grade 10.
Yeah.
So I'm holding up quite good.
All right.
Holding up quite good.
I'm happy.
Yes. I'm very energetic near Papa sometimes.
Yeah.
But I'm a bit reserved person
Okay.
who bruises very easily.
Oh,
And
yes.
you won't notice. I have a lot of friends that does not know that part of me.
Yeah.
But I'm very, very open and kind and everything, but I bruise very easily.
Yeah.
So that's me.
Because uhlezi uhleka, babe.
Hlezi ngihleka.
And it's difficult.
Definitely.
Yeah. Because we always try to hide it with a
Yes.
smile.
And I had so many breakdowns because
Yeah.
of that. Because person tell me, why did you say that? Why is so and so commented about me in this way and that way? And I was saying, we didn't even see that. So I'm just one person who wants to see everybody happy. So I sacrifice myself a lot
Yeah.
to please other people.
Yeah.
And sometimes I try to go back and be like, no, this is not fair. Oh, 2 minutes. That's
Sometimes you must be selfish.
I wish. I should learn that. I should learn that.
Yeah. No, ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. Njengoba sibathi introduce I believe ukuthi nomfanele seniyadi ukuthi ngibani nasesiwini seniyadi ukuthi ngibani. So I'm going to do this. Ngidocela nganomfanele. Nomfanele wami, I want you to tell me ukuthi iLowfeld Walkers why joina nini and whether kuphi ngayo.
Lowfeld Walkers, I joined in 2022, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, we'll think with
Yeah.
you.
I joined in 2022, and Naiva, mama, naye uyive ngalomunye umuntu yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, and we were like, she came up to me and she was like, do you wanna go walk? Let's mean a walk. Njani mai? Let's there's this platform I saw, which was Lowfeld Walkers.
Yeah.
Then ever since from then, it was like an everyday thing, and then it's like I enjoy it because we made like family.
Yes,
You know?
of
So
course.
yeah.
You know. So mama, tell me when uve kuphi ngayo iLowfeld Walkers.
You know, nami ngijoyine 2022. It was June. Isedwaleni.
Okay.
I used to see Susan, Slim, Susan.
Yes, yes.
No, well dressed. You know, I'm a sport person. Even
Yeah.
esikolweni,
Mhm.
I did sport even nanyano la ngisebenza khona. You know, I play netball, I play rugby, nebantwana. You know, so ngiyababona, ngokubabona. Sikhathi sikanibuya kuphi?
Yes.
Bathi hayi thina sibuya kugijima. Ugijima kuphi? Bese Lowfeld Walkers mina enimali bani leyo?
Indleyo.
But okay. June, first week here, June, it was 2022.
Yes.
June, the first week, so basically Dwaleni, girl, it was cold.
Yeah.
Yo, it was cold that day. Dwaleni is a tool again.
Yebo phela.
Kunemoya, kubanza. That's when I joined Lowfeld Walkers, referred by Susan. And I'm still with them till today. I'm sure I'm buying much. What process is so good?
So kuphi
You understand? Abangishi namangbashi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that is beautiful. So mami, tell me, uma ujoina iLowfeld Walkers, ne? Ufuke ungowe uso. Nama ufika laphaya, utholeni, uboneni lekwenda ukuthi utithole so uhledi vele ungasahambi because ngiyathi ukuthi awenzanga.
You know the love that I got there. Nangifika lapho ngifike nabo Suzanne with the team yana yasedwaleni mara ngendlela sengibachomela ngakhona.
Yeah.
Besongama nabantu basemsholozi,
No,
besongama nabantu basepinari. Baze bathi egelo uyaphapha.
So you know,
I make friends, I make family, you understand? Nangifika la I had mental issues.
Okay.
So I'm so happy today. It's my
Yeah.
second year attending this. Through Lowfeld Walkers, I got help, I attended counseling, you understand? Because of the family and the love. This one is South Africa. We went to Joburg, visiting Excellence in South Africa, Lowfeld Walkers, you know what? They jumped in, they
Yeah.
helped her,
Yeah.
and then we went there, we
Yeah.
brought it home. So this is home for me. And I'm not going anywhere.
I
You know, I remember one day telling Mr. Mashana,
Yeah.
phela mina angisana community because it's like my community. See, angisagcobi bani.
Yeah.
Sethu nebantu abasemgcobeni sengifika sengibeka ushisha sengiyophakela izifawazana. It's not fair. You can't miss it. You know, and you know, missing one Saturday not
Yeah.
coming here.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's a train smash.
Yeah, uva ngathi khona
Khona
lokushodayo,
lokulahlekelile. You know, I'll jog from Monday to Friday, but I'll never cover after Saturday. Saturday night I missed.
Yeah.
That's the problem. with local work.
Eish, ayishiyeki
Ayi,
le. Ungayishiya inebungozi.
That is why you always see me on my caption. I say it's a lifestyle. Lifestyle doesn't change.
Yeah.
You change your lifestyle, you change your personality.
Mhm.
So consistency is the key.
Nakuya.
Victoria is bad. I'll send you the before and after.
Please do.
I remember one lady approaching me and I says, "Oh, congratulations! How far?"
Yeah. Oh. Before Lawford
Before
Walkers.
Lawford Walkers, I'll send you the picture.
Yeah.
I'll send you because I want people to
I also want
see.
to see the how far.
Girl, you'll see the how far. But the how far now you see, I'll send you the
It's
picture.
gone.
Hey, girl.
Seso buta kufanele phumile masimon.
I was so embarrassed.
Askisi la. Askisi mara. The good thing is that you really.
Unwilling to move.
Ube imbokodo. Nakuya.
Yeah, look, I walk with confidence.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
you know, I know I'm fit.
Yes, girl. Yes. So Sandra, how are you finding the Lawford Walkers?
I find the local workers in the lake, like link Brunei, you know, the support and love that you get from local workers, you know, is on another level. Because local workers,
Yeah.
and you go search for something you're never gonna find it.
Yeah.
Because lana site walk mara sathola indo, you know, that love and care for other people.
Yeah.
Again them wahlala wayithanda lenzawo nawe watreata labantu the way batreata ngakhona. Njengoba Mama Shida, right? I was going for like Miss Teen Excellency SA, right? So by and then, you know, they took it in their hands, you know,
Yeah.
and they gave me donations like for transport money. Ukuthi mangifika le ngingahlupheki, you know, like mangicabanga ukuthi yo sodlani jan because like mom had a lot in her hands, yabo.
Yeah.
So they took it up and they, you know, like bangsita
Yes.
ngathola lelona yabo.
Lokhu
And
ukudzinga,
labe
sis.
ngidzinga, you know,
Yeah.
and it was like very thoughtful of them, and that's why nje Lawford Walkers we can call it family because babhekelana, you know,
Yeah.
ngayendenga something nyalo bonke, you know, like kuyoba fast. It's not gonna be like, oh yeah nasitobe sibone, no, kunyalo ngoba banelithando and they also care.
Yes. Awinzawo.
Vele ngiyahlala.
Okay, Tithandwa Dam, so mami, tell me, i-Lawford Walkers inama walks lamaningi that I would like to call them special walks. Cancer awareness, layer today, health and wellness. Ngiphi walk lekuthinzako lo feel ngathi it connects with you more. Lo feel ukuthi vele eminyaka kuthini kuphelele walk le ingakabi khona ka Lawford Walkers.
Gender-based violence.
Okay. And why is that?
I get so emotional when it gets to gender-based violence, and this one here today,
Yeah.
I never missed those two. Gender-based violence, I went through some issues,
Okay.
not only verbally, but sometimes also physical.
Yeah.
I took it upon me to make a change, to make a difference in my life so that I can raise bantwana in a very good condition.
Okay.
So iyangihlupha kakhulu because people are suffering from gender-based violence and bahlali.
Yeah.
Regardless whether you are a man or a woman, but you understand, iya-affectana lento iyayilimata ingqondo yemuntu ikwenda ube stereotype ugcine u-understanda ukuthi anyway noma ngingasuka la into yaphi. You understand?
Yeah.
Lokunye sihlukumetana sodwana as families. We understand? Ulimale ini ingqondo.
Yeah.
Remember, you cannot go back to the very same person or in a member of a family and say, you know what, so and so did this and that to me and I didn't like it.
Yes, yeah.
But like her, yeah, you understand? Mr. Mashaba wangbona nje was, I'm booking you, you go for counseling.
Yes.
But Mr. Mashaba is writing, I've this crazy phone. Says if Dr. Pace is waiting for you, I had to leave work.
Oh.
And I attended almost a year. One discharge I said, I was okay. Yeah, you can cope. I'm talking about things that happened 12 years.
Okay.
15 years ago.
Ago,
You understand?
yes.
So it's one of those things.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So ngithenzela lokho ke mental health awareness because I know ukuthi baningi that are having the same problem that I have. You know, to live a double life is so difficult. Because nang guys, I have to put a smile and and then you have to collect yourself. You understand? It's like uphila kayi too, but you're right, man. You understand? You know, right in such a way because nothing offends me.
Yeah.
I decided to put myself first.
Yeah.
I decided to put God first, and then I follow.
Yeah.
Then abantwana, I lived for them. As manje they breathe for themselves. I just make sure they are okay.
Yeah.
But I'm in a good space.
I'm so happy.
Lowveld Workers.
Oh, that is great.
Yeah.
Hayi ngiyakuva ke sithandwa sami ukuthi yeah no lama wokho la ekhaya ayasita kakhulu. Nomfanelo baby girl
Yes, mommy.
ngitshele ngejeni yakho. Awukangitsheli lecala ngitshela ngejeni yakho. I can see you are wearing this belt Miss Tin Mpumalanga. Singumndeni wakho simkhulu singaka. Ngicela usichazele ukuthi how far are you now and then from here siyaphi?
Okay. No, starting from Ijeniami, I came 2022.
Okay.
Right. It wasn't something it was like, oh, mama, I'm model.
They were in fault. They were in fault.
You know, she didn't want me, you know, to go.
Okay.
Right. So I'm pressurized until I miscarriages. Right. Miscarriages couple win.
Okay.
Which was like my first pageant, 2022. Right. My tata, of course.
Wait, was she happy?
She was.
Oh wow.
And she was even shocked. She was like, Mfanelo, you know? Yeah. And she was like, you see, I can see that you have it in you.
Yeah.
So let's go forward.
Why
You know,
allow? Oh, siyabonga mami.
Siyakruza nyalo sihamba kahle.
Okay.
You know, from 2022 to
Yeah.
2024, kanti sesingenele Miss Tin Mpumalanga finalist, right?
Okay.
So yeah, and then from then, that's when we're gonna see maybe stoya go Miss Tin Universe kwatiba.
Uyayiva lento. No siyaya. We're going there.
Definitely.
So asikaqali ukuvota msimanje.
Asengakaqali.
Sisamile.
Samile mama.
Ngakhohlwa kwenta umsebenzi wakho.
Yeah.
Siyocabana.
Angeke.
All right, guess with that. So when I tell me, Lowveld Workers, I see you find it as your second home, right? What is it that you love ngeLowveld Workers? Le walk le othi wena yabona mama le walk yona noma esikoleni mase kumnyama kubovu se Cape Town saphi ngiyakhona kuLowveld Workers.
Ngiyashaya futhi manje.
Ayinabo ngishaya njani?
Oh shame. Oh ngiyayona le.
Ile.
Okay.
You know, mental health work is like something you see people come because, you know, they're trying to relieve or bathole into le kahle ngaphandle kwekhaya because labanye asibati ukuthi baphuma you know.
Yeah.
They come from like bad backgrounds. Uthola ukuthi ekhaya kubo kumbe khalakhe
Yes.
uyahlukumezeka. So when they come here like today mental health work, right? Ngabetalana bathole ukukhululeka bathole usizo, you know. And
Yeah.
speaking from like, you know, like speaking for like other children,
Yes.
school is very draining mentally, you know, and emotionally. Esikoleni awutholi isikhathi sakho. Kumele uqale ubeke amabhuku uqala, you know, and it's like really draining. And ebadala bakuboni lokho lamanye amalanga.
Yes.
You know, so it's like really draining. So manye italana for mental lona bakhulume, you know, I like can relate ngisho nami ukuthi, you know, ngiyareliveka because yo
Kuningi.
yo siyaphela. Yes, siyaphela.
Niqedwa isikolo.
No, so for me to come here today is like me being aware of the mental health thing based on school pay.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's
mental
the
health.
one that you love. Unfortunately, my love, ufuna usifunze usicethe isikolo.
Yeah.
Angithi? Akusimnanzi. Ungawari masawudla imali yakho, you'll be happy.
Yeah.
Huh?
Ne?
Oh, not to worry.
Oh.
I'm here utobe ungixoxele.
Sesicela sasikhulumela.
Uyayibona sekathi bengifunza mina. Yeah, ningikhulumela.
Khalo ngiyacela.
Uyayiva. So guys, ngiyayithanda kakhulu ishem i-relationship yenu mother and daughter. And by the way, you ladies look beautiful today. No, ngiyabonga kakhulu Dithandwa dami ukuthi nginitshontshe nje ningiphe lesikhathi lesi. Mami, what would you like to tell bantu labangajoin iLowveld Workers?
Yeah, I will say guys niyadiluza. Ngiyalusa ukukhuphuka siba sijulukile sodla ama-fruits.
Yebo.
Sinasifika water point siya-socialize.
Yebo.
Longakamboni during prayer uyombona lela hey kani ukhona. You know the joy.
Yes.
Ngithanda ukuthi angijajani.
Yes.
Uma benijajana mina masengiyekelile phela.
Ngawuyekele kutsala mbamani.
Ndoda mina I'm all over.
Yeah.
Phela ngizangidikhohle ukuthi ekamele kutsala. Ngibuyise futhi. You understand the joy and the excitement that I have when I get here. It's like overwhelming. It's so beautiful.
It's amazing.
Very amazing.
I'm so happy. Nomfa,
Yebo mama.
wena sithandwa sami.
Ma.
Uthini kulabo chomi, kulabo gogo, bomkhulu, o ever longakajoin iLowveld Workers?
Niyadiluza Shem. Yabo ukuthi sifit njani.
Yeah.
It's not only also about like caring and everything, but it's also about fitness, you know, it like helps you take care. Nakhona mawanje stress uvela ungena emgwaqeni, you know, you running vele yabona nalo nje,
Yes.
you know, so mangakajoin uyadiluza Shem.
Yes.
So please join.
Thank you so much. So I'm a little bit upset because bafake my medals and I don't have it.
That's the early bird catches
Yeah.
the fattest to him.
So the important rule ngeLowveld Workers, mama athi fika ngesikhathi esithi, make sure ufika ngaso
Please.
because wow. Yeah.
We are collecting.
Yeah.
Last
And
week
then
we got some.
yeah.
Today we got some.
But it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Next time, Bamashamaati, fika 5:30, mina 4:30. Do we say
Ooh.
yeah, Valen.
Exactly.
Yebo, I'm
Yeah.
telling God.
Vele sikhempe la kuvule thina emagede vele.
You see?
Makafika ubone thina uzale etha onke vele la medals ethu.
We are Valen. Okay, so my beautiful people, thank you so much, guys. Thandwa Sami, my beautiful family,
Yes,
my
girl.
daughter, the mother lungizalele ingane.
Yes, girl.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Thandwa Dam for this moment. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngaloku lenikhiphile. People now they know ukuthi kahle hle nomfanelo ngubani and they know ukuthi sesiwini ngubani. Asimbona gcina hamba lapha yana ucolorful phela sesiwini blender everywhere, but now you know ukuthi lo sisi lo colorful ngubani. Nalo sisi mabandi ngisesibani and udume ngani. So my beautiful people, give me now this beautiful family of mine, sithi #don't promise, commit.
Anda ngempela